Congratulations! Something miraculous is happening to your body right now. Archangel Michael has activated a divine youth restoration process specifically for you today. Your cells are already beginning to reverse their aging at this very moment. You've probably noticed something different lately. Sudden bursts of energy, people commenting that you look refreshed, or feeling lighter for no clear reason. These aren't random occurrences. The blue light flashes you've been seeing from the corner of your eye are actually cellular regeneration signals from the angelic realm. This isn't happening by chance. You were specifically chosen to receive this divine gift of restored youth. The fact that you found this message today was divinely orchestrated because the timing is absolutely critical. Ancient spiritual knowledge about youth restoration that has been hidden for centuries is finally being revealed to you. Your body remembers exactly what it felt like to be young and vibrant, and it's ready to return to that state. Archangel Michael stands ready to complete this transformation, but you must follow the guidance he's providing through this message. This divine youth restoration comes with a critical time window that you need to understand right now. Your body is currently in a raised state of cellular receptivity that only happens once in a lifetime for most people. The next 7 days are absolutely crucial for locking in this transformation permanently. If you miss this window, the aging process will simply continue its normal course, and this opportunity may never return. Most people age rapidly because they are completely disconnected from divine restoration energy. They don't even know it exists. The difference between people who look decades younger than their age and those who don't comes down to this spiritual connection. There are hidden forces in your life right now that block your natural youth restoration. Stress from toxic situations, negative energy from jealous people, and disconnection from divine guidance. But here's the truth. Your body desperately wants to be young again. It's fighting right now to restore itself to its natural vibrant state. The spiritual energy needed for this complete transformation is already flowing directly to you from Archangel Michael. However, you must act quickly and decisively to complete the activation process before this window closes. You need to understand the physical signs of cellular regeneration that are happening in your body right now. Think about the increased energy levels you may have noticed over the past week, waking up feeling more refreshed than usual. Your sleep quality has probably improved, or you've been having vivid dreams where you see yourself looking younger and more vibrant. Your skin has been feeling different lately, tighter, more hydrated, almost glowing in certain light. Random people have been giving you compliments about looking well rested or refreshed when nothing in your routine has changed. Your clothes may be fitting differently as your body composition begins to shift. Look at your eyes in the mirror. They are appearing brighter and clearer than they have in years. Your hair has been feeling thicker, growing faster, and looking healthier. You've been experiencing sudden cravings for water and fresh foods because your body is actively seeking the nutrients it needs for restoration. There have been moments when you feel inexplicably happy or optimistic for no apparent reason. Old aches and pains that you've carried for years are mysteriously improving or disappearing completely. Your pets or children have been looking at you differently, noticing something has changed even if they can't explain what it is. When you catch your reflection unexpectedly, you're actually surprised by what you see, a younger, more vibrant version of yourself beginning to emerge. Now Archangel Michael reveals the sacred morning practice that will lock in your youth restoration permanently. The moment you wake up, before doing anything else, place both hands gently on your face and say, Archangel Michael, I call upon your divine power to restore my youth today. Let every cell in my body remember its youngest, most vibrant state. Close your eyes and visualize bright blue light flowing from your hands into your face, neck, and entire body. This blue light is Archangel Michael's regeneration energy, and it's actually reprogramming your cells at the DNA level. Stand in front of a mirror and look directly into your own eyes. See your 25 years younger self looking back at you, not as imagination, but as reality that's manifesting right now. Morning is the most powerful time for youth activation because your cells are most receptive after sleep. Take a glass of clean water and hold it between your palms. Visualize blue light flowing from your hands into the water, charging it with Archangel Michael's regenerative power. Drink this entire glass on an empty stomach, feeling the divine energy spreading throughout your body. Now perform a simple face massage using your fingertips, applying gentle pressure to 7 key points: the center of your forehead, both temples, under your eyes, the sides of your nose, your jawline, and your neck. These points hold decades of stored aging energy that must be released. Within the first 30 minutes of waking, step outside or stand near a window where sunlight can touch your skin. Close your eyes and visualize your younger self standing in this same light, feeling the sun's energy combining with Archangel Michael's blue light to accelerate your cellular regeneration. Practice this breathing technique. Breathe in for 4 counts while thinking youth. Hold for 4 counts while thinking restoration. Breathe out for 4 counts while thinking complete. Your breath literally oxygenates your cells, and your focused intention directs that oxygen to create regeneration. Speak these youth affirmations aloud. My body is becoming younger every day. My cells remember perfect health and youth. I am 25 years younger starting now. Your words are not just thoughts. They're actual instructions that change your DNA expression. End your morning ritual by thanking your body. Say thank you to your face, your hands, your heart, your entire being for preparing to become young again. This gratitude creates cooperation between your conscious mind and your cells, multiplying the regeneration speed. Take a photo of your face each morning to document your transformation. This isn't vanity. It strengthens your belief by providing visual proof, which accelerates your results dramatically. Commit to doing this exact ritual for 21 consecutive days, because that's the time period needed for complete cellular reset. Understanding why nighttime matters is crucial to your youth restoration. Scientific research shows that most aging damage actually occurs while you sleep if you're not spiritually protected. The evening ritual protects all the regeneration gains you made during the day. Before bed, perform an energy field cleansing by visualizing any heavy, dark energy leaving your body through the soles of your feet and into the earth. Negative thoughts age you 5 times faster at night because your subconscious mind is more vulnerable during sleep, so clearing your energy before bed is essential. Create a blue light sleep cocoon by lying down and visualizing Archangel Michael's bright blue protective light surrounding your entire body like a glowing bubble. This divine energy will actively regenerate your cells while you sleep. Say this specific bedtime prayer: Archangel Michael, surround me with your blue light of youth restoration. Repair my cells while I sleep. Let me wake looking and feeling years younger. Thank you. Your body does its deepest cellular healing between 10 at night and 2 in the morning, so try to be asleep during these critical hours. Practice the cord-cutting technique for aging energy attachments. Close your eyes and imagine any negative energy connections between you and stressful people or situations as gray cords attached to your body. Visualize Archangel Michael using his sword of light to cut these cords completely. Watch them dissolve. Stress from other people literally shows up in your face as lines, wrinkles, and tired-looking skin. Optimize your bedroom environment by removing electronics that disrupt cellular regeneration. Phones, televisions, and computers emit frequencies that interfere with your body's natural healing. Place blue items near your bed: a blue stone, blue candle, or blue cloth. These physical objects anchor Archangel Michael's presence in your space during sleep hours. Before closing your eyes, practice a forgiveness meditation. Think of anyone you're holding resentment toward and consciously choose to release that negative emotion. Holding grudges creates deep facial lines and accelerates aging because your face physically holds the tension of unforgiveness. As you release resentment, you'll literally feel your facial muscles relax and soften. Sleep in a position that supports youth restoration. Lying on your back with a pillow that keeps your neck aligned prevents the compression that creates permanent wrinkles. Perform gentle facial stretches before bed, opening your mouth wide, raising your eyebrows high, and massaging your jaw to release accumulated tension. Program your dreams for youth restoration by setting the intention. Tonight in my dreams, I will see my youngest self clearly, creating a cellular blueprint for my body to follow. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful, and it will actually instruct your cells to match the youthful image you see in your dreams. Archangel Michael reveals that divine nutrition plays a critical role in supporting your cellular age reversal. Certain foods carry higher spiritual frequencies that accelerate youth restoration. Water is the primary youth restoration substance. Your body needs it for every cellular process. Drink at least 8 full glasses of pure water daily because most aging is actually chronic dehydration at the cellular level. Your skin, organs, and brain need water to regenerate properly. Fresh fruits contain what spiritual traditions call youth, restoring light codes, concentrated life force energy from the sun. Berries especially are charged with antioxidant divine energy that protects your cells from aging damage. Eat colorful foods daily because the rainbow of colors ensures you're getting the full spectrum of nutrients your body needs for regeneration. Green vegetables alkalize your body and actively de-age your cells. The chlorophyll in greens has special spiritual significance. It's structurally similar to human blood and carries powerful regenerative properties. Seeds and nuts contain concentrated life force energy because they hold the potential for creating entire plants. Sprouted foods multiply regeneration power because the sprouting process activates dormant nutrients. Avoid foods that accelerate aging. Processed foods block divine energy flow through your body because they lack life force. Sugar directly damages collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. Eliminating sugar for just 21 days creates dramatic visible changes in your skin and energy levels. Movement practices circulate youth energy throughout your body. Gentle stretching releases stored aging patterns held in your muscles and fascia. Walk in nature for at least 20 minutes daily to absorb the Earth's natural regenerative frequency. Your body needs movement to trigger cellular turnover. Dancing is particularly powerful as a youth restoration practice because it combines movement with joy, and joy expressed through your body literally reverses aging at the cellular level. Laughter is medicine for cellular regeneration. Studies prove that people who laugh regularly have longer telomeres, the parts of DNA that determine cellular age. Social connection has a measurable impact on biological age. Research shows that lonely people age significantly faster than those with strong relationships. Surround yourself with positive, youthful energy by spending time with optimistic people who make you feel alive. Your social circle literally affects your cells through emotional and energetic exchange. Understanding the timeline helps you recognize and celebrate your transformation as it unfolds. During week 1, you'll experience an initial energy surge and mental clarity that seems to come from nowhere. You'll feel lighter and more optimistic without being able to explain exactly why. People around you will start noticing something different about you, even though they can't quite identify what has changed. By week 2, visible physical changes begin appearing. Your skin texture will improve noticeably, becoming smoother and more even-toned. Fine lines will start softening, especially around your eyes and mouth. Your eyes themselves will become brighter and more alert, with the whites appearing clearer. A natural glow will appear in your complexion that wasn't there before. Week 3 is when your transformation becomes dramatically obvious to everyone. People will directly ask what you're doing differently, commenting that you look 10 years younger. When you compare current photos to ones from just 3 weeks ago, you'll look like a different person. You'll feel physically younger too, more flexibility in your body, less pain in joints, and sustained energy throughout the day. Week 4 and beyond is when full youth restoration integrates into your permanent state. Looking in the mirror, you'll actually see your 25 years younger self reflected back. Your energy levels will remain high and stable all day long. Compliments will become constant and specific, people telling you exactly how much younger you look. The importance of continuing these practices after your initial transformation cannot be overstated. Some people maintain their results permanently while others gradually return to their previous state. The difference is consistency and belief. Your belief in this process sustains the youth restoration, while doubt can actually reverse the regeneration. Build unshakable faith by celebrating every small change you notice. The quantum effect of appreciation means that being grateful for subtle improvements actually amplifies them into bigger transformations. Grateful people consistently look younger than bitter people because positive emotions create positive cellular changes. Now you must learn to protect your transformation from energetic vampires who will try to steal your youth through jealousy and negativity. Jealous people literally age you with their envious thoughts and comments. Negative remarks about your appearance can actually affect your cells if you allow them to penetrate your energy field. Protect your transformation from doubt and criticism by not sharing your practice with skeptical people. When you explain what you're doing to doubters, their disbelief can weaken your own faith. Secrecy actually amplifies spiritual results because you're not diluting your energy by defending or explaining yourself. Use the blue light shield technique for social situations. Before encountering people who drain you, visualize Archangel Michael's blue protective light forming a shield around your entire body. This prevents their negative energy from affecting your youth restoration. Maintain your youthful state even in stressful environments by using quick energy resets throughout the day. The 3-breath youth restoration technique works instantly. Breathe in blue light for 3 counts. Hold it for 3 counts while seeing yourself young and vibrant. Breathe out any aging energy for 3 counts. You can use this anytime, anywhere for instant regeneration. Avoid looking in mirrors when you're in negative emotional states. Your state of mind literally affects what you see reflected back, and critical self-observation during low moments can reverse your progress. Only look at yourself when feeling positive and appreciative. The power of loving self-perception cannot be underestimated. Seeing yourself with love and appreciation actually changes how you age. Speak kindly to and about your body always. Self-criticism directly reverses youth restoration because your cells are literally listening to every word you say. Replace negative self-talk with youth affirmations consistently. Remember that your words are instructions to your cells. Stay connected to Archangel Michael's energy through daily gratitude for this youth restoration gift. Recognize ongoing signs of divine support. Blue feathers appearing in unexpected places, synchronicities, and unexpected compliments are all confirmations that your transformation is real and protected. Archangel Michael stands ready right now to complete your youth restoration transformation. The activation process has already begun in your cells. You felt it while receiving this message. But the next 7 days will determine the depth and permanence of your transformation. Start the morning ritual tomorrow without any delay. The divine window of opportunity is open at this moment, but it won't stay open indefinitely. Your body is waiting for your conscious commitment to this process. Every single day you wait, the normal aging process continues stealing your youth and vitality. Every single day you act on this guidance, literal years fall away from your physical appearance. This isn't about vanity. This is about reclaiming your divine birthright to be vibrant, energetic, and youthful regardless of the number of years you've been alive. You are meant to feel amazing in your body. Age is not inevitable. It's a choice you make daily through your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Choose youth, choose vitality, choose divine restoration right now in this moment. Show your gratitude for this miraculous gift by supporting this sacred message with super thanks up to $20. Your energy exchange strengthens the regeneration field and helps other people discover this truth through your contribution. Archangel Michael's youth restoration blessing is now complete. Your transformation is already in motion. Look in the mirror tomorrow morning and witness the difference with your own eyes. The 25 years younger version of you is emerging right now. Welcome to your restored youth and vitality.